What company doesn't want to reach and pique the interest of their target consumer? Finding them is one thing, finding them when they are ready is another issue. Right here in this video, I'll show you how to set up and optimize a new targeting feature within Google AdWords that finds your target audience when they're ready. I'm going to go ahead and create a new campaign, and I'm going to choose display campaign. And I'm choosing display because it is right now the only campaign type that enables custom intent audiences. Now again, custom intent audiences will allow you to capture search traffic. Maybe you're maybe you're someone like Nike and you're selling running shoes. Owning the term running shoes over the course of 30 days, there's over 100,000 searches for that. That can cost you upwards of 50 to 100 grand. What this campaign type will allow you to do is decrease your cost per lead or cost per acquisition substantially by capturing search traffic on to display network, which is sites like Business Insider, Wall Street Journal, ESPN, and you're reaching these people with a more engaging ad. It's an image ad versus a simple text ad. So I chose a goal. By doing this, makes it easier for you to start out right away. And I'm going to create a campaign name. I'm going to just do video game hardcore fans. And I'm going to go and remember, I'm going to choose United States for now, but what we can do is even target something like the airport. Maybe I want people to download our mobile app games while they're waiting for the plane flight or something like that, so they could binge play it on the flight. Now that's a little bit too big. I'm going to go in here and just hit 5 miles. And right there, I have, move this, right there, I have a very specific audience, but also I'm just going to go here and go to the United States. So what I'm going to do from here is by choosing the sales goal, this is going to optimize and give us the right bidding type for conversions, which can be a whole headache in and of itself. But this is fine for just getting started, and it's going to allow you to accomplish your goals. Now, like I said, this is for our video game, and we want to find some hardcore fans. So that's the name of the campaign, and below that we have mystery games, detective games, we have role-playing games, hidden object games. So this is the opportunity to create very specific campaigns within a campaign. It's like Inception. So let's go ahead and just do this for PC gamers like us. Cool. And what we're going to do is I'll go through these other targeting options in another video, but I'm going to go in here, and this is why you're watching this video. This is where we choose the audiences. I've already made some in the past, and Google can auto-create some pretty cool audiences in and of itself. So I'm going to go ahead and create a custom intent audience titled PC Gamers Like Us, and I love spelling. It's just so fun. And obviously I'm going to type in PC games. Now owning that keyword for a course of a month would cost upwards of $30,000 to show up every single time this game's searched. But you can reach these searchers who are looking for video games on across the web. So this is just, I'm really excited about this. So PC games, we can even go in here to top 5. Our games aren't free. So what we can do is, let's go like, is there a best list or anything? Top best free PC games. PC games. Top 10, yep, you can't play. Okay, so this is a good one. And I'm just going to do like best PC games. You can add your own. Something you can also do is just check out the audience size. Make sure you're reaching the right age, gender. I'll go into excluding certain age groups and etc. later. But what you can also do is target a specific website or even your competitor's website by adding its URL. So you're going to be targeting people who have researched this site or similar sites in the past. Now we can just do the homepage right here, or we can go further and go into a specific URL. So Google has more context into these specific pages. And I recommend to choose, this one isn't that great because there's a lot of game titles, that's why I like this, but there are a lot of images, so Google can't crawl those as effectively. But I'm going to go here and add that. You can reload the audience size, see how that changed, and then you can also check out the new ideas that were generated off that. So I'm going to go in there and click create, and there we have it. We have our custom intent audience that are going to reach people searching for PC games. And what we can do, like I said before, most of our gamers are female. So I'm going to go ahead and exclude male. And most of our gamers are from 18 to about the 34 range. So I can go ahead and exclude all of these. These are fine for now. Conservative automation, that's fine for now too. And all you have to do now is, instead of paying something like $10 a click for owning PC games, you can really bring that down to around 2 cents now and reach thousands of more people. The only thing left to do is now create your ad, but all you do from there is go click create your campaign, and there you have it. Subscribe for more videos. I hope you like this one.